everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Southern Bells. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are so glad that you decided to join us today because we had another Stitch Fix.
Yay! This has been our week for Stitch Fixes.
That's right. She got hers Monday, I think. I'm not sure.
It's been over a week now, but still.
But her video just went up on her Stitch Fix, and she got some really, really cute things. They look really nice on her. If this is your first time joining us and you don't know about Stitch Fix is a styling service where you go on and you fill out a profile, and your stylist will pick 5 items for you, whether it's clothing or bags or shoes or jewelry or scarves. And
all
they
fashionable stuff.
That's right.
Shoes.
They'll send it to you, and then in the privacy of your own home and the comfort of your own home, you get to try the clothes on and decide if you want to keep them or not.
Yay.
There is a $20 styling fee, and that styling fee would go towards the price of anything that you decided to purchase. So it's a good deal because you can usually find at least one thing that you would like to keep. And I just love it. It's so much fun when you get that box on the door and you can't wait to open it up. So that's what we're going to do.
She called me
right
on her
now.
way home from work and said, "Are you dressed? Because we're going to be doing a Stitch Fix. Mine came today." So.
I know, I can't wait. So when you open your box, it looks like this. It's packaged like this, and you have a return mailer for any clothes that you decide that you're not going to keep. So it's free shipping both ways.
Yes, and also you have like 3 days to decide if you want to keep it, but you can extend your checkout date if you need to, or you can request to do that. Just something to keep in mind, because I did see on my channel where somebody was upset about that Stitch Fix having only a few days, but you can extend that deadline if you want to.
And I have chosen that option a couple of times, and no problem. You just go in there and just click a couple of things, and it's done.
Yes.
You also get this that has your invoice and a note from your stylist, as well as styling cards, which are very, very helpful.
Oh yes, they tell you different pieces that they send you a piece, and then they tell you pieces that piece would look good with to make an outfit.
And they usually give you 2 options too, so
like a more casual and a more dressy and different styles.
I was trying to decide what was in my box because it felt a little bit heavier. But when I went in and left my stylist a note, I did tell them that I really like, and I don't even know if this is on trend right now or not, but I have always just really loved the nautical look.
She looks good in it too.
Especially with spring coming up. Navies and whites and everything, I love that, and I love that look. And when I'm looking at my bundle,
it looks very nautical.
It
the
does.
bundle does.
I don't know if you can see that or not. There is a little bit of red in there.
And I see stripes, and I see navy and white.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited to see this one. It's also very 4th of July, very Americana.
That's exactly right. Okay.
And the cat found the box again. That's a recurring theme in our videos, the cat finding the box.
She just about knocked her light over in the last video.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at those sleeves.
I like that.
Oh, that looks like you. Those are the cutest little sleeves I've ever seen.
It's stripes, but it's
vertical
stripes instead of horizontal stripes. Oh, I love it.
That's cute.
I really hope this works on me. It's a different kind of material.
Oh, it is. I'm not sure how that'll feel.
Yeah.
It's interesting. It's a good quality material,
like
though. You can tell it's high quality.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now this next, I like this.
Oh,
I don't usually wear red, or at least bright red, so I'm not sure how that'll look on me. And
the waist of this looks cute.
It's pretty,
it flares a little.
I don't know if it'll be too short for me. We'll just have to wait and see. You never, ever know. If you get something from Stitch Fix and you take it out and you're like,
try it
not so sure
on.
about that. Yeah, try it on. You'll be surprised. Okay, all right. So that's cute. I like that.
Next piece is cute.
Oh, a little
cute.
sailor. It
That is
reminds me of a
very
little
cute.
sailor looking thing.
A little sailor dress, except the top.
And it has a little tie.
And it's purple
right
and white,
here.
like Furman.
Oh, yes.
You can wear it to Firming games when it's really hot outside.
Very, very cute.
That is cute. I like that.
These are very different items, and you can see the transitioning into spring and warmer weather and everything. That would look really cute with some white shorts.
What brand is that? That brand doesn't look familiar to me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nesper. Yeah, I haven't heard of that one before. Okay. I think Stitch Fix might be coming out with some new brands or collaborating or however they do that to pick the clothes. I know that when I went to go update my account the other day, I was voting on different outfits that I liked, and there were some that were sketches, which I thought was really interesting. So I'm wondering if they are getting some brand new stuff, which is really exciting.
It is exciting. Okay, and oh yes.
That looks like you.
Yes. I like the way that feels too. It's soft. And this,
that's more for this time of year.
Yeah, and in South Carolina, I think I've said this before, you never know what you're going to get. I mean, no. On Monday you can be in the 60s, and then on Tuesday you can be in the 20s. I mean, it's just kind of back and forth. So this, excuse me, this is like a sweater material, and it looks like it's 3/4 length sleeves, which I love. Okay, all right. And then there's a pair of white Liverpool, and I like Liverpool. Oh, and they look like they're cropped, maybe.
Those are nice.
Okay, or is that what you call them, cropped?
I think so. Cropped. They look like a good. I like the grain. I don't know if that's what you call it, but in wood it's a grain. But I like the. What would you call that? There's a word for it.
There is a word, but I can't think of what it is at the moment. Okay, so I am very, very excited to try this on. So we're going to see how this goes.
Yay.
And we hope you'll stay tuned for the try-on.
See you in a few.
That's right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so here's the first outfit. And I really do like this. I love navy with white anyway. I think the pants are so cute. These are Liverpool pants, so I know I like those. I have a couple of other pairs of them. They are, I guess, cropped. They're the pull-on elastic. They seem to fit pretty well, and I think they're thick enough where you can't really see through them. And yeah, I like them a lot, and I love this shirt as well. Finally, a striped shirt that looks kind of right on me. I love the navy. I love the 3/4 length sleeves. Has a little band on it as well, and it's kind of, I guess, rounded with a little bit of the navy edging around the bottom. So yeah, I like this. I feel like I need to go get on a boat or something just for a day of sailing. So yes, Nicole, thank you. You did such a great job with this. Okay, I'll be back with the next item. Okay, so here is the next top, and again, I'm loving this. Everything about it, the navy and white vertical stripes. I like, would this be a boat neck, do you think? Similar? It's not really a,
you would consider that.
Crew neck.
I like it though.
And look at these sleeves with the elastic there. It's just cute. And I think it gives it a little bit dressier look. You could even probably wear heels with this.
Definitely.
A nice, maybe a little bit bolder piece of jewelry.
Even a scarf. Like a white weight scarf.
Just one of those little, just the one you could tie like that.
That would be cute.
Yeah, that's cute. And it's flowy, and the fabric feels so good on my skin. I really like that. It's not really silky, but it has just a touch of that in it. So, yeah, I'm loving this too. So we'll see what else I have. So here's my next piece, this cute little top. It does tie in the front. It's longer in the back, and it has this neat little stripe of lavender and kind of a darker denim color. Put my little hat on with it in case I go to Charleston or gardening or those other type things. Yeah, it's just really, it's a cute, fun piece. So
very summery.
Very summery, and the fabric feels good. It's cool for South Carolina summers because it gets very humid in the summertime. I will have to check and see what type fabric this is. I'm not sure how much it wrinkles, and in the summertime especially, I don't want to spend a lot of time ironing, although my wonderful husband did give me a steamer for Christmas, and that works very well.
What I do like about that, though, is that it's thin and lightweight, but you don't have to wear something underneath it because the fabric doesn't show through.
A little bit thicker and yeah, not that sheer. And that's always a plus because, yeah, you kind of defeat the purpose when you have to wear a tank top or something if you're trying to stay cool under something else. So, all right, I have one more piece. Okay, here is my last piece, and it took me a little while to figure out how to do it. It is a wrap top. It has an inside tie as well as this outside tie, and it does have a little modesty snap here. I've never worn this style, but my daughter tells me that she likes it a lot on me. And
it complements her shape, I think, her figure.
And I've also never been one to wear red, so that's kind of a little different for me as well. I kind of like it. I'm a little bit scared of it, but I kind of like it, because
it looks good.
Very different from anything I have ever worn. So I definitely don't have anything like this in my closet. So here it is in the back. It's got a little, I don't know if you call that a peplum or not. I don't know. I guess that would be what you would
call it. It's a bustle.
A bustle, yeah. No, that's just me. But yeah, I like this too. Nicole, you did such a great job on this. Thank you. I'll be right back with a recap. Okay, so we just some final thoughts and some prices, and I did want to say that I had a very nice note from Nicole. And as I said, she did everything that I asked her to do, plus more, because I never would have picked this out to try on, and I never would have picked out the white striped sleeveless shirt to try on, because I just never would have thought that I could have worn something like that. But you let me know what you think. Let me know if this color is too bright for me. The styles, please, I would like your honest feedback on this. I don't want to fool myself and go out and really not look,
she looks
put together. So, okay, so we're going to look at some prices now. So, first top.
So this is the West Key Davinia smocked sleeve blouse in navy. It's a size medium, and this is $42.
And this is actually probably my favorite top.
It's really nice.
I love this one.
That one just hits her style perfectly.
Yes, very much.
And I love those sleeves.
Me too.
All right, so the next top is the Liverpool Wait, no, it's not. I thought they were in order. Sorry. Okay, so the pants are the Liverpool Mirabella roll cuff skinny jeans in a white, and they are $78.
Which Liverpool is usually a little bit pricier,
but they're very nice pants. I will say, you can tell the quality is really good.
They're durable, and I have two other pair of Liverpool pants, and I have really, really, really worn them. So I think I do get my money's worth out of that.
And the good thing about, denim or white or colors like that is that you can wear them with so many things. Like, you really can get your use out of them.
That's true. That's true.
All right. The next top is the Pink Clover Valencia Curved Hem Pullover in navy. I think this is another one of her favorites. Yes. And it's $44.
Yes, and it definitely has that nautical thing.
Oh, yes,
going
definitely.
on with it. So, yeah.
It's like a sailor.
I really like this too. Okay.
All right, so the next top is the Beach Lunch Lounge Nesper tie front button-up top in a white color, and it is $54.
Which I was telling her, this is the priciest of the tops, which kind of surprised me, but I think Nicole did mention it's a certain type of material. I can't
it's
remember
so
what
soft.
She called it.
She did. What did she call it? Viscose.
Viscose. So I don't know if that's the reason it's a little bit more or not, but I will say I really do like this top too. Yeah. Yes.
All right. And last but not least is the Kaylee Straw wrap blouse in red, and it's $42. So it's the cheapest thing in your fix.
Is it? Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh wow.
Well, one of the cheapest. Okay. The other top that you really loved was $42 as well.
Okay. And it's very comfortable, and I really think this is something that you could wear out to dinner.
Oh yes.
Or something like that.
We went to dinner on vacation. I keep thinking vacation because this is reminding me of summertime.
Yes.
And I've been thinking about vacation lately anyway. But, you know, if you went to like a nice seafood restaurant while you were at the beach or something like that, that would look really cute.
I do find myself, I keep fooling with it here because it's a little bit lower than what I normally wear. So I may have to put a little cami underneath it or something just for my comfort level. I mean, I don't think it's indecent, but I'm just usually...
You just self-conscious.
Yeah. So the total price of this sticks is $260. If you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount, and that would come out to $65, which when I subtract that, the order total ends up being $195. And when I think about that, including a pair of Liverpool jeans, that price seems about